This is my new baby I got for Christmas. I think I'm going to name her Keiko because it means blessing. Keiko has, I think, a new trick. She's a little leery of Jasmine. She wasn't used to little kids. But see if she'll do love the Jazzy. Good baby. Do it again. Love the Jazzy. Love the Jazzy.
She licked me.
Good. But love the Jazzy. Good baby. She did that all by herself. See if she'll step up on you. Step up. Step up. She just wants to love you for a while.
And he licked me.
Okay. Step up, baby. Good baby. This is the sweetest little baby in the world. Well, so is that. And so are my other cockatiel babies, of course. But for a Quaker Parrot, is that what I called her in the beginning? I hope so. It's a Quaker. Oh, this is sweetness.
That's what she was doing to me.
I know, she's tasting.
She's pooping.
Love the Jazzy.
Want love the Jazzy?
Remember, you just love the Jazzy. Love the Jazzy. Good baby. That was cute. Okay, do that again. Love the Jazzy. Just leave your hand there. Oh, she's letting you pat her. Good Keiko. Love the Jazzy. Good baby.
There's a lot of scratches.
I'm just following the training stuff that I saw on YouTube where the guy said wait until they do something natural, which was rubbing her beak on Jazzy, and then we just said love the Jazzy. Love the Jazzy. Good baby.
I want to see it so she can
Well, okay. Go ahead.
love the Jazzy. Good baby.
Very nice to meet you. Yay! Good baby. Keiko, nice to meet you. Come on. Keiko, nice to meet you. Yay! Good baby. Such a good baby. Good baby. It's so sweetness. No. Good baby. Oh, such a good baby. Oh, such a sweetie. Good Keiko. Pretty Keiko. This is like, whoa, Mama, what is that thing? I suppose as she gets older, she'll love the toys. Right now, Mama's her favorite toy. But Mama can't be with her 24/7. Well, most days. But there's some days I've got to go out and get some stuff, you know? Food and stuff. Oh, you're the sweetest little Quaker. Yep. So anyway, it's a very cool thing, huh? Yeah, ladders and stuff. Okay. Say bye-bye, Keiko. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, now, Keiko, you remember is my little 3-month-old, she's probably 4 months old right now, Quaker Parrot. Deathly afraid of any toys, but mainly these little cat toys. Once I got her to see there's nothing to be afraid of, I was able to teach her how to pick one up and drop it. Of course, now that I'm filming, Keiko. Hey, baby. Drop it. Yay! Drop it. Yay! Come here, baby. Stay on Mama's finger. There we go. Drop it. Yay! 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 And then there was rings. Drop it. Uh-oh. Drop it. Yay! One more. Keiko. Turn around. Drop. Uh-oh. Up. Up. One more. Drop it. Yay! What a good baby. It's weird because she's still afraid of them, but yet she'll take them in her mouth and drop them. This is her little TV Perch. Yay! Spin around, step up, ta-da! And she's such a sweetie. I think all Quakers do that. So pretty. Rub the belly, turn over. That's my baby. That's it. Oh yeah. Keiko's getting pretty. Getting pretty taking a bath. Yay, Keiko! Taking a bath. Splish splash, I was taking a bath. You knew that had to come along, right? Splishy splashies. Good baby. What'd he say? What'd he say? Keiko, what'd he say? Keiko! You're being so cute. Keiko, what'd he say? What'd he say? I guess I only get it once. Aw, you're being so cute with your little snuggly. That is my old t-shirt that I cut into strips and attached it to a ring or something. And she loves to struggle with it and play with it. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Keiko, you want some cereal? What do you say, baby? Turn around. What do you say? Good baby. Where you going? Keiko, step up. Step up. Step up. What do you say? What do you say? Good baby. Keiko. And here she comes. This is Mama eating food. Hi, Keiko. Come on. What are you doing? Huh? Come on. Okay. What do you say? Good girl. Come here. Let's come on up here before the doggies take it from you. Up. Keiko. Come to Mama. Come on. Come to Mama. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Nice to meet ya. Come on, Keiko. Keiko. Come to Mama. Oh my goodness, just slide. Just slide. You'll like it. Hi. Nice to meet ya. Yay. Aw, such a good girl. You are being so mean to Mama from your jealousy. And now you'll see that I love you. And Kamali? Good boy. Kamali, come here. Kamali. Come on, baby. Now Keiko is being sweet again. Yay! Come on, Kamali. Hi. 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 Good boy. That was just to chase her away. Come here. Step up. Good boy. Good boy. Hi. Good girl. Nice to meet ya. Yay. Good girl. Kamali. Yay. Peekaboo. Hi. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hi. Keiko's a pretty baby. And Kamali is a jealous little boy. Keiko! Come on, baby, come on! Hi, Keiko! Woo! Here comes Kamali. There's Keiko. Is he Keiko? Come here, Keiko. Come on. Good baby. Hey, babe. Keiko up. Keiko up. Good baby. Nice to meet ya. Yay! Nice to meet ya. Yay! Good baby. Good Keiko. Nice to meet ya. Yay! Step up. Yay! Isn't she pretty? Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Isn't she a pretty bird? Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Say, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty. Pretty. Finish it. Pretty. Pretty bird. Pretty. Pretty bird. What? She's a pretty bird. Okay, bye-bye. And it is July 9th. She has laid 2 other eggs. Hi, Keiko. Come here, baby. Come on now. I'll show everybody your eggs. There's all the eggs. She's taking very good care of them. There you go, baby. Is that your babies? Yeah, that's all your babies. She's got her calcium and mineral. That's her Snuggly that she used to love. And her water. Keiko. Good girl. She's being a good mama. She kicked Kamali out. Did not want anything to do with Kamali. She wants to do it all on her own, or probably with my help. She's a good girl. What a good mama. Okay. So, still probably the end of July, first or second week of August. We should have some babies. Okay.
Hopefully.
Yep, hopefully.